Okay, this is question 21 on the non-calculator paper. Straight away you see a triangle and you're thinking, okay, about angles within a triangle. However, one of the things you need to pick up straight away is the fact that there's a star next to the question. So what that means is you're going to get some quality of written communication marks for this. Marks need to be the answers need to be stated clearly and presented clearly, and where possible you write a sentence at the end of the question. Let's read what they want us to find. ABC is a straight line. So ABC, that there is a straight line. Okay, that's fairly clear. BD and CD are equal. So B to D and C to D are equal. That means that that triangle there is an isosceles triangle. That triangle there is an isosceles triangle, and sort of going forward, I know, and we did this earlier in a question, that the base angles in an isosceles triangle, there's angles at the bottom of the equal sides, are the same. So those two angles are equal. Then they said the angle BCD is 50 degrees, so that's 50 degrees up there. ADE is 20 degrees, so that's 20 degrees. Work out the size of the angle marked X, right? Give reasons for your answer. So that's where the quality of written communication marks are going to come from. So for the reasons for the answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out, if I need to work out X, right, I think I need to find these two angles at the base of the isosceles triangle. If I know this angle here, then in the larger triangle, I'll know this angle and this whole angle at the top, so I could work out the third angle, which is X. So what I'm going to begin by doing is working out the angles at the bottom of this triangle here, this isosceles triangle. So if I call this A and A, right, that means that 180 degrees take away 50, and the reason for 180 degrees, and I'm going to put reasons over here, so I'm going to list all my reasons on this side. Angles in a triangle add to 180. So that's my first reason. 180 take away 50 is 130 degrees. That means that those two angles that I've labeled A down at the bottom are going to be 130 degrees. So to work out what A is, I need to do 130 degrees divided by 2. And that means, the reason for that is, the triangle BCD is isosceles, right? Two angles equal. 130 divided by 2 is 65 degrees. Now, I like writing these in on the diagram. That's 65 degrees. This whole angle over here is 50 add 20, which is 70 degrees. So what I've got now is 65 degrees, 70 degrees, and X in this triangle. I need to work out the missing angle. So X is going to be 180 take away 70 take away 65. With 70 and 65, add 65 is 135, and then 180 take away 135 is going to be 45 degrees. So X is 45 degrees. And the reason for this last one here again is angles in a triangle add to 180 degrees. So by the way I've spread this out and shown my working, I'm able to get all the quality of written communication marks for this question and pick up the right answer as well. Now 4 marks for this. I won't say it's easy marks, but it is pretty straightforward. If you state out your workings, break it down into stages, you'll get there. Make sure you do get these marks.